Hey guys, how are you doing today? This is Joseph, and today I'm going to be discussing my opinion on the Force Touch trackpad, the newest trackpad technology that Apple has introduced with their newest MacBook Pros and their newly introduced MacBook. Uh, Considering that I've been using it for about a month now, so my opinion on it after using it for about a month as my daily driver, or on my daily driver. So, when I first got this computer, I definitely noticed a difference in the way it felt, and it wasn't like unpleasant, and it wasn't really hard to adjust to, but it was a definite difference in the way it felt. Now, after a few days, I stopped noticing at all, and I really did actually start to enjoy the fact that it was no longer a diving board mechanism. It was really, you could click anywhere, and because it's all force sensors and taptic feedback and the haptic engine, or the taptic engine as the case may be, you could click anywhere, whether it be on the upper left-hand corner or the bottom left-hand corner to left click, and it was really a good feature in my opinion. But as of right now, I am completely used to using this trackpad. When I click it, I feel as though it depresses, even though it really doesn't, which is a really cool, innovative strategy for Apple, considering they no longer have Steve Jobs working there to do what they can to get that kind of cool feel with it, so that people want to check it out, because this definitely is a cool technology. Now, one thing I did notice is that a lot of the applications that are on the App Store and on the internet are interfered with when you force click uh, accidentally, because I do tend to force click accidentally, and that's actually another point I wanted to bring up. You have to kind of be careful not to put too much pressure on the mouse pad or the trackpad, or else it will register a force click and it will go into another action or register another type of click, whatever you have it set to do with the force click. But if I accidentally force click on certain things, it glitches out, and when I'm playing first-person shooters on the Mac, even though, not the best gaming machine, but when I play uh, first-person shooter games on here, and I force click, it freezes up, it kind of just freezes up for about 5 to 10 seconds sometimes. Sometimes it crashes altogether, which is something that I think Apple really needs to fix, and I think they should put an option in certain applications to not register force clicks at all, just while you are using certain applications. I think that would be a very wise decision for Apple to make and a good way for them to move forward. But I have a very positive view on the Force Touch trackpad. I think it's a great technology, and I think there's probably going to be a few advancements in it, considering that this is the first generation of this technology, and now I'm sure other companies are working on improving it and just improving the way that it functions and what it does. And I really think this is a cool thing, and I have enjoyed it the entire month I have been using it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, comment them down below. Thanks guys. Peace out.